Hi all, this is Shruti and Girish again from Travelin, taking you through a glimpse of our Meghalaya trip. Day 1, we started off at Chirapunji, locally called as Sora. This is the three-headed stone viewpoint at the heart of Sora town with the Wakaba Falls and Latara Falls. But of course, since it was in the month of March, we could not witness the waterfalls. We moved towards Tairna village, which is less than 20 kilometers from Sora town. Part of the stretch of the road is tough and rugged, but the inspirational quotes all along the way will truly make you ignore the quality of the road. Living root bridges are the major mode of river crossing at Meghalaya. There are two living root bridges that tourists generally visit when they come to Meghalaya. One at the Tairna village, which also has the single decker living root bridge, and the other at Mavalong, the cleanest village in Asia. The one we visited is the Tairna village living root bridge. And our trek starts here. Further moving down towards for about half an hour, you get to see the single decker living root bridge. You may take a dip in the crystal clear water as well if you find time. But I truly suggest that you keep your itinerary exclusively for Tairna village for minimum of 2 days and also trek towards the Rainbow Falls. There are lot of homestays available if you wish to stay back. You will have to trek furthermore for about 1.5 to 2 hours to reach the double-decker bridge, passing through other bridges, arecanut farms, local villages and the thick forest. And believe me, you will forget all the stress once you witness one of the best art of human by bonding with Mother Nature, the double-decker living root bridge. This bridge is truly an example of how human can unite with Mother Nature and the outcome of the same. This trek took about 3.5 to 4 hours one way and we stayed back at Tarna village overnight. Mother Nature, you are just awesome. Thank you.